Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP OfficeJet Pro 8100 wireless photo printer with mobile printing, and I think you're going to love it just as much as I do. This printer is packed with features that make it an absolute game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home or small office printing setup. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this device so special. First off, let's talk about the main functions of this incredible color inkjet photo printer. With wireless printing capabilities, you can easily print from anywhere in your home or office without having to worry about being tethered to your device. Plus, with AirPrint, you can seamlessly print from your iPhone or iPad without having to install any additional software. But that's not all. This printer also features two-sided duplex printing, which is a huge time saver and helps reduce paper waste. Whether you're printing out important documents or stunning photos, this device has got you covered. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features of this printer, mobile printing. With the free HP ePrint app, you can print from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. Imagine being able to print out a crucial document or photo from your phone without having to be physically connected to your printer. It's incredibly convenient and easy to use, and it's perfect for busy professionals or students who are always on the go. Plus, with AirPrint, you can easily print from your iPhone or iPad, making it a seamless and intuitive experience. Another huge benefit of this printer is the cost savings. With professional color printing available for up to 50% lower cost per page than lasers, you can save a significant amount of money in the long run. Plus, with wireless and wired networking capabilities, you can increase productivity and get more done in less time. This printer is perfect for small offices or home offices, where printing needs can be high but budget constraints are a reality. And with simple setup and fastest in-class speeds, you can get up and running in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the quality of the prints? Well, let me tell you, with the HP OfficeJet Pro 8100, you can expect professional-grade results every time. Using original HP 950 and HP 951 ink cartridges ensures that you get great results print after print, with vibrant colors and crisp text. And the best part? Original HP ink prints up to 2x the pages as refilled cartridges, so you can trust that you're getting the best possible value for your money. In conclusion, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8100 wireless photo printer with mobile printing is an absolute powerhouse of a device that can revolutionize the way you print. With its wireless printing capabilities, mobile printing features, and cost-saving benefits, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their printing setup. So, if you're in the market for a new printer that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, I highly recommend checking out the HP OfficeJet Pro 8100. Find the link in the description below to get